back to my channel. I'm Jen from Jen's House of Six, and today I'll be sharing some really easy and cheap dollar store DIYs for home decor. So stay tuned. These are the supplies that you're going to be needing. The only thing not pictured is the sponge brush that I bought a pack of 6 from the Dollar Tree. And I really like using these to apply the epoxy. And then once the epoxy dries, it's basically ruined your brush, so you could keep it or toss it. This was one of my favorites from the Dollar Tree. I was lucky to be able to find all the same colors, so I didn't have to paint this, which you could totally paint this. You could buy dishes and candlesticks from the thrift store and do your own and just spray paint it your color palette. And you could use it for food or jewelry or to catch your keys, just for home decor, whatever you like. The possibilities are endless. The jute string and the sponge brushes are all purchased from the Dollar Tree. The sponge brushes came in a pack of 6 and the jute came in a pack of 4.